Hey y'all. So I just ate some real food. I had some burrito tacos and it was so good. I had a nice little morning. I went and got me some fruit. A lot of fruit. I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm gonna show you in a second. Let me put this over here. There you go, that's better. I got me some prenatals. Ollie. These are really good. And then my friend told me to get these. Stuff. How long did I have these for? What's the expiration date? 10/24. That's next year. Okay, y'all get like this. Lord have mercy. They're not even shaking up a little bit. Okay, maybe they just like that. Yeah, because they real gummy. Did they melt? I don't know, but this is what they look like. Little cones. That's pretty good. Then I got me some more toothpaste. I got me favorite snack of all time. Smart food. I gotta regulate this because I'll eat almost the whole bag. And then I got these for work because I be having a sweet tooth. Or when my stomach's growling or something, I just grab these. Put them in a little sandwich bag. Keep them in my pocket. I've been had this. This is fiber because I be having trouble. Going number 2 now. I got 2 mangoes. I got 3 avocados. I got some cuties. Or I went to Aldi's, so I got some Mandy's. I don't know, they probably got those everywhere. Honestly. I got 2 tomatoes, 3 cucumbers, some Guatemala olives, real good. Some jalapenos. I got some red onions. Some potatoes, because I got some salmon that I'm going to make later. Yeah. Some stuffed salmon, probably. I got me some cotton candy grapes. And my favorite, I got me some kiwis. I can't wait to eat these. They're going to be so good. I'm just trying to eat more fruit and vegetables because obviously I'm pregnant. It's gonna be so good. I hope these grapes are good. I'm getting ready to wash it off. Should just taste one. Shoot, the boy on TikTok, he be eating grapes in the store. Why can't I? No, I'm not gonna eat them. What I'm gonna do after this? I think I'm gonna take a nap. It's 1 o'clock. My nephew gets off the bus. My niece and nephew get off the bus at 4. And then I have to take him to football practice at 6. So I definitely need a nap. I do not want to sit out in this hot sun today, but he has to go to practice. We have a game tomorrow, so I really don't have no choice. What's that? These cotton candy grapes, bitch. Hey y'all, so I don't even know where I'm starting off with this video, but I guess I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me because I've been wanting to YouTube for so long. I have so much footage on my phone that
just sit there and never gets edited and never gets uploaded. Like I've been a fake YouTuber for like a year now. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I have so much footage that just is sitting in my phone. It's not even funny. But I'm gonna try my best to actually upload this because I just really need this right now, especially to look back on. Because I am pregnant. I'm 3 months today. I'm getting big. Like it's still little, but I'm getting big, okay? My face is swelled up. Like it's getting real. But as of right now, oh my god, this keeps letting me get on my nerves. As of now, I'm watching pregnancy vlogs right now. That's what kind of inspired me to do this. Right now, I am in the bed. It is 3:42 on a Saturday, June 3rd. I have to work tonight at 1:20 a.m. I work at Amazon. So I have to get me some sleep today. My bedtime is usually around 5. But it's hard because I just had my off days and I slept at night instead of during the day on my off days. So I slept last night. I woke up around like 9 a.m. I think. Yeah, I woke up around like 9 a.m. So I'm not really tired right now. I tried to tire myself out. Put a load of laundry in. I cleaned the kitchen, did the dishes, ate. Well, I didn't do the dishes. I filled the dishwasher. I ate. Took out the trash. Made sure my dog went out in the back. And yeah, I was trying to tire myself out. I wanted to work out, but why didn't I want to work out? Oh, I don't want to sweat. I don't feel like sweating right now. And I had took a shower like a couple hours ago. And I don't feel like taking another one. So I don't feel like sweating right now. But yeah, that's really what I'm doing right now. Just chilling till I go to sleep. I could not sleep. Not yet. Like I said, I slept last night, so I can't really sleep. But I decided to put on some lashes. So when I get up for work, I could just go. I'm looking all shiny and stuff. This is really bothering me because my face started to break out like 2 weeks ago because of this baby. And I got a mark on my face. But I am now about to try to moisturize my hair so it could lay. Because I'm tired of looking like a frizz ball. Like if you have locks, you know. I should go in my sister's bathroom because she got like this thing that you could put it on the mirror. But no, I'm not gonna go in her bathroom. I really don't have nowhere to put y'all, so maybe I will go in her bathroom. I'm just gonna have to make it work. So, oh, it's not that bad. It's not that frizzy, but I am just about to moisturize it a little bit, spritz it a little bit. I'm gonna just use this Jamaican black castor oil water. Yeah, that's what that is. On my ends. Oh, this coming out a lot, like a cleaning spray bottle. Oh, I like the way that smells. Ooh. That comes out a lot. I could use this for a retwist. You know, like when your hair gets dry at the top and you're trying to retwist, you could go ahead and put that on there. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. Like, this baby is drying my hair out, drying my face out. Like, I had dry patches on my face and whatnot. Like, ugh. I don't want to make my hair too frizzy, so I'm just gonna kind of put the oil on my scalp, and then I'm gonna go in with the mousse, because now I'm making it frizzy. This is the Miel's Curl Defining Mousse. I love this stuff. It smells so freaking good. Like, lately, stuff has been smelling so good that I want to taste it. And I know it's not edible, but I still be wanting to taste it. Like, I have this new body scrub. It's like watermelon. I got it from Walmart, and it smells like candy, or like a watermelon popsicle, and I just want to taste a little bit of it. I know it's disgusting, so I never do, but I just be like, oh my god, like my mouth waters every time I use it in the shower, because I want to taste it so bad. Now you see how that lays. Now one thing about this baby is, I feel like it's a boy, so I be saying he sometimes, but this baby got my hair growing. Like, look at my hair. Can't call me bald head. So yes, now I'll put this scarf back on, and when I take it off, y'all, it's gonna be laid. Now I just put this ponytail holder on it, and I just tie it around one time, so it's easier for me to put my scarf on. I don't put it tight because I don't need it tight. I just gotta put my hair in this pocket. I need one of those bonnets that are like this with the ties on it. I mean, this is kind of like that, but the bonnet style. You know what I mean? I want one of those so bad. So yeah. And then I got me some new lashes off Amazon. They're so cute. They're like, this one never comes out right. Like, I think this one got smushed in the mail or something. But it's supposed to be like anime style. How oily my face is. It's supposed to be like anime style lashes. And this stuff, I always have to wash my hands after, because this is kind of sticky, like tacky, like, because it actually holds. So you gotta wash your hands after. I need to get me some more rose water for my face, because I was using rose water for my face and my hair, and I have psoriatic dermatitis, which is like a lot of flaking in your hair. And my dumb ass put tea tree oil in my freaking rose water for my hair. But I don't want that on my face. Like, I know you can still use tea tree oil. Oh, let me bring this back downstairs. I know you can still use tea tree oil on your face. But right now, the way my hormones are set up, I don't want to risk it at all. But what I really need to do is get my Fenty Skin back for my face, because y'all, Fenty Skin be having me glowing. Like, I'm still glowing because I moisturize my face, but that Fenty Skin just it hit something different. So that's what I'm gonna have to do when I get paid. But y'all want to see my stomach? This is us. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, you can see it way more this way. So I'm 13 weeks. Mamiana. Period. I still ain't got no boobs. Like, they're a little swollen, but I've never had none. And they, I don't think I'm gonna get none. But that's okay. Because we got something else. Anyway. Yep. There go my little bump. I am on my way to work officially. It is 12:56. So, gotta be there at 1:20. It's about 30 minutes away, but it's gonna be 25 because I'll be hitting it anyways. So I'll be good. I'll get there before 1:25. I got 5 minutes to clock in, so hope you can hear me because there's a lot of road noise in this car. But I'm on my way to this place. So hopefully we have a good day. The only thing about this shift is it's 10 hours, and that's a long time to be at a place. But at least I work 4 days a week. But yeah, it's gonna be a long one. So hopefully it goes by fast. Hopefully I have a good day. So yeah, I'll probably see y'all break or lunchtime. Look at what I got from work, y'all. Placard. A massage gun. Basically got it for free. And my swag bucks. Swag bucks is these little card things that we get at our job. That's worth money. And you can buy stuff that they have on display in this cage. Let's see if it's charged. I don't know about y'all, but this air got my head hurting. And it smelled like burnt plastic outside. Like, yeah, that's what it smelled like to me. Like burnt sandwich bags. But anyway. A dog needs food. And I'm craving chocolate covered almonds. Well, cocoa dusted almonds, not chocolate covered, because that chocolate be too thick. So I'm on my way to Walmart right now because nobody's at the house to get this stuff for me, so I'm gonna just get it myself. But I do have a slight headache, and I've been drinking water, so it's not that. And it's kind of hazy outside. Like, if you look far, you could see like the trees get foggy. So, oh my gosh, she out here with her baby. It better be a baby. Man, people, I don't know, I don't trust nothing. I'm from New York, everything is a setup. She out here with her baby and a sign. Talking about something. I'm going in there. And if this lady don't get the hell out the way in the middle of the fucking road, like, come on. Alright, now you just gonna sit right there. People pissing me off so bad. Like, you just gonna stop. The patience that I do not have for these Maryland drivers. He thought I was finna hit his car. Oh, that's crazy. I can't even go to Walmart because I ain't got my car. card. Something told me I should have put it back in my wallet. Like, why wouldn't you do that? Like, I have Apple Pay, but you know how Walmart is. That's crazy. What am I about to do? Now I gotta go to Food Lion because I don't have my physical card. I only have Apple Pay. And Walmart don't take Apple Pay. So y'all just missed out on y'all money. But now I gotta go spend more money. So I'm not going back home, getting my card to come back to Walmart. That's burning gas when I could have just went to Food Lion and spent the money. That just makes sense to me. I don't know. Yeah, I'm hungry now. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I need to eat something good though. Something. I had spaghetti last night and for lunch. I don't really want it again. I don't know what else there is to eat at the house. I mean, I got my spicy noodles I could eat, but that has a lot of sodium in it. I don't need to be eating all that sodium. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I am hungry. I know McDonald's probably got a deal, but McDonald's ain't no better than eating some spicy noodles, right? That just don't make sense. This weather really has me like, well, this air has me like, I don't know, in a fog. But yeah, on my way to Food Lion. About to get this dog some food and me a snack for the ride home. Cause, oh, that's another reason why I wanted to go to Walmart too. They had the cocoa dusted almonds there. Like, what the hell? Now I don't think they have them. I hope they have something like that at Food Lion. Like at least a store brand. Because I really been wanting them for like 2 weeks now. Let's pray they do. Fingers crossed. Don't ever go in the store hungry and pregnant. Oh my God. I just bought $30 worth of stuff. $36 to be exact. But I wanted it. And it's not really bad. So I'm going to show y'all what I got when I get home. I don't know why people be buying these big ass trucks and they be old and don't know how to drive them. I'm like, come on, Big Betsy. And you're going the wrong way. You gotta go all the way back around. Oh boy. Anyway, I just spent $36. Oh my God, this is why I be staying home. Like, I don't got money to be spending. I really don't. There's so many cars coming by. Just go ahead and get out here real quick. You ain't have to do that, but thanks. You was too slow. He just letting everybody go today. What's going on with this? Holding up traffic. Ooh, you know what sounds real good? Chipotle. Nah. I'm gonna go home and make what I have to make, because I did buy something to make. A little something. I do need to cook something with it though, because it's really a side. But honestly, I could just have a big bowl of that and be happy with some hot sauce. Wait till y'all see what I got. It's good stuff though. To me and my baby, it's good stuff. Because I don't like how you just pulled in front of me like that. I'm not going to even hold you. Like, Maryland drivers is so disrespectful. Like, I swear I be wanting to get out and start swinging. Because what the fuck? Like, what the actual fuck would you do that for? Like, every day I get in my car, I say, well, why would you do that? Because why would you? Like, there don't be no critical thinking skills when it comes to their driving out here. Like, are y'all okay mentally? Like, y'all be wanting to get into accidents on the daily or something? Like, come on. You see this shit right here? Dumb. What are you eating? Stop it. What's up? So, little mini Food Lion haul. Say hog. I got some bananas. I'm gonna go feed him after this because he's eating stuff that's not edible. I got some bananas and they're ready. And they're ready too. And I got some crunchy. This right here, this crunchy cookie butter is so good. And I have not seen the crunchy one in so long. Like, they just have the smooth one. I prefer the crunchy one because it has cookie pieces in it. With a banana. What? My craving. I'm about to open these right now because, oh my god, they look perfect. Look at that. I was really beasting just now and I did not have to do all that. So, like, just ignore that. Got him some food. Fresh pet. Then I seen these. Smoked turkey wings. You know what that means? You a real one. We're about to put these on the stove right now. And I'm a snack while it's cooking because I'm already hungry.